Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat Kitchen. In today's video I will show you how to make this tasty pineapple raw mango juice. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. The ingredients are pineapple, raw mango boiled with a pinch of salt, a little amount of ginger and sugar to taste. And you can use one full middle-sized pineapple with around 2 to 3 small raw mangoes, boiled raw mangoes. Add everything in a blender jar. So add pineapple, add raw mango, and this raw mango, boiled raw mango helps in taste, of course, because a combination of pineapple and boiled raw mango will bring out a very good taste. It also helps in thickening the juice. So boiled raw mango helps in making the juice thick. And then add sugar, and the amount of sugar will also depend on how much you love sugar. So you can add more or less, or you can add and keep on tasting until you get the desired taste. And then blend until well blended. And then strain the juice. And as you keep on straining, also keep on adding water until you get the thickness that you want. And after that, your juice will be ready. Put it in the fridge and serve while cold. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat Kitchen.